Welcome, today I'm with Motorola Moto G100 and I will show you the most useful features that you can find in the camera. So at first, when we start from the photo and the video mode, in this modes we can quickly adjust brightness level manually. So when you tap on the screen and move this icon like that, you can increase or decrease brightness level. You can also make it manually by tapping on the screen once or double tapping. And the same in the video mode, just take a look. Okay, right now let's turn phone to the normal portrait mode. And we can also find right here, when we expand this menu, we can add timer. So we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay to our shutter. It's useful when you, for example, want to take the group photo with your main camera set. So we can put your phone on the tripod, select 3 or 10 seconds delay, tap on the shutter, and then go to into the front of your camera, the rear camera, and you can just take a pose and be capturing the photo. When you go for the settings, we can find right here in the photos. Oh no, it was on AI settings. No, sorry guys, it was on the capture settings. Yeah, right here we can find tap anywhere to take photo. So take a look. When you hold your phone like that in the one hand and you are unable to reach this shutter with the left hand and with the right one, you can tap on the screen and the photo will be also taken. Of course, you can block this shutter delay and then you can take photos like that. I'm gonna turn off this option right now because I don't need it. When you go right here for the 3 lines, right here, we can find the 64 megapixel mode. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to take photo of this bottle of the water that you can find here. With this ultra resolution mode and with the normal mode. Okay, and take a look. This photo was taken with the normal mode, or maybe not. Let me just take a look on the difference. Okay, so this photo was taken with the normal mode, and take a look right here. We can spot some details. It looks not that bad, but when you go right here, we can zoom definitely much closer, and we can find more details. For example, when you're looking right here. Take a look. Honestly, we cannot read what is right here, but in this one we can, like this 4 or 3 last letters. So in this mode you get basically more details on the photos. And the last option that I will show you, it's the dual capture. So we can record video with 2 cameras at the same time, with the front and the rear camera. You can switch these cameras and you can switch the theme of it. So you can make, this small preview on the right upper corner. You can of course move it to the left or right or the middle side. You can change the camera mode right here, so we can go for the normal lens to the ultra wide lens, and that's how it looks. So take a look. You can press on the shutter and you can shoot the normal video. You can also take photo by tapping right here. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.